All right, so welcome everyone to Wi-Fi Wednesdays. My name is Kevin Z. I am founder and CEO of MyWiFi Networks, and we meet here every single Wednesday to talk about office hours. I stay live for Q&A. We do some sales training, and it's home of the 30-day Wi-Fi challenge. For those of you who are just getting started, to look for all of the replays. Let me just jump over right now. Today's session is going to be very interactive, very hands-on. So I'm just going to show you exactly if you are looking to find replays of existing sessions. Look no further than the actual Facebook group. All right, so I'm just going to jump in here into the actual Facebook group and show you on the left-hand side, there's a tab for videos. If you go to videos there, you're going to see all of the replays for anything that we've ever covered and done. Okay, so make sure you go check that out because we have a ton of not only some clips by some of our partners. We have all of our replays for Wi-Fi Wednesdays all listed here. Okay, so that's where you got to go look. And today I just want to get right into it. Okay, a lot of people have been asking about punch cards, about loyalty. I wanted to hit it right in the head right away. So you can see here, perfect timing. I was actually just in New York City over the weekend, and I went into a juice bar. And those who have ever been to a juice bar or to a taco place or to a hairdresser or teeth whitening or any kind of recurring business, a place where you come into the business more often, and the more you come, the more you get rewarded. Type in yes in the chat box if you guys have ever used a punch card or a loyalty card for a business. Okay, also type in yes if you think you can profit by offering this kind of solution to your clients. Now, especially because you're already selling them Wi-Fi, if you have a relationship, this is an absolute no-brainer for a number of reasons. Number one, two platforms, the one I'm about to show you, integrates with MyWiFi out of the box. So it works directly with our automation engine. So when somebody comes to use free Wi-Fi at the location, they log in with Facebook, for example, their name, email will automatically create them a punch card in the punch card system, and they'll get sent an email with their unique pass already done. For those who don't know what punch cards are, I'm just going to go right hands on right away. And I'm going to share my mobile phone screen and show you some punch cards that I've installed myself. Now, our platform, MobiPunch, delivers all these, actually generates all these, WYSIWYG, and I can dive in later to show you. But essentially, how many of you guys have used Apple Wallet or a mobile wallet these days? Type in yes if you have typed in, or you've ever used a mobile wallet. Okay, I know I have. I have my credit card here. I have my HSBC card. I have a corporate card. I recently flew to New York City. This was my boarding pass. So, a lot of people use mobile wallet a lot more these days. Okay, especially I have all my hotel rewards over here. I have all my hotels.com check-in information. For example, this was my check-in when I had hotels.com booking. It was sent automatically to me by email. So these punch cards or these loyalty cards are being used more and more and more now. Now, MobiPunch has been around for a couple of years. We have several hundred partners using it as a white label. For those who don't know, I'm also the owner of a company called Brick and Mobile, and that is the owner of MobiPunch. And what it essentially allows you to do is create these super easy mobile punch cards. It's a WYSIWYG dashboard. You can select your background, your icon. You can customize everything. It's all 100% white label. And then you can sell this loyalty program to your clients. You can set up exactly what they want to have. So buy 8, buy 10, buy 12, get one free, or whatever that option is. You can also have static coupons used as well. Now, the key is here that it integrates directly with MyWiFi. So when somebody logs into Wi-Fi, you can automatically register them for a punch card. Once they install this punch card, it's super cool. We also enable beacons and Bluetooth notification. So if that customer ever walks in and around that business again, you can set up a Bluetooth beacon to send that customer an alert. So they were literally, their phone will beep and they'll get an alert to say, hey, you're right by here. Why don't you come back, use the free Wi-Fi, get more punches, and all that messaging is right over there. You have click to call, you get all the information in the back. You have a full profile integrated as well. So this is all run by MobiPunch. You can see cloud.punch.cards. That'll be your own white label domain. And this, as a customer here, I can go in and change my information. I can go back to my pass over here. I can go down and see also if I have any new offers eligible for me. A cool benefit of MobiPunch is that you can actually set up offers, so single static coupons, and broadcast them to your clients at any time. And then they'll get a notification saying, hey, a new coupon is available in your pass. You can jump in right here, and you can obviously redeem that directly. So I could go on and on. I don't really want to make this a sales presentation right now because this is a Wi-Fi Wednesday. I just wanted to show you what MobiPunch is all about and also let you know that I am offering everyone who's a MyWiFi partner an exclusive 50% off discount on MobiPunch annual plans. Now, I want to mention MobiPunch, we used to sell this for a $1,000 setup fee and then $300 a month. Okay, so if you do the math, it's around $4,000 or $4,000 or more dollars that we used to sell this for. We currently also sell it for $297 month to month, the same price as our legacy plan with MyWiFi. That'll cost you about $3,600 for the year. Now, with MobiPunch, we sell it annually. Now, let me just switch my screen back so you guys can see this. All right, so you'll see here in the Facebook group, I recently posted this special offer. Okay, as I was just saying, MobiPunch, we normally sold it for almost $5,000. Then we had an offer where it was either $297 a month, or if you go annual, you get 2 months free. That makes it $29.97. I am now offering MyWiFi partners an additional 50% off the annual plan. That's your 100% white label plan. So essentially, for less than $1,500, you'll get a 100% white label platform, a separate platform to MyWiFi, but it integrates directly with MyWiFi network. So I'm going to go through these links that I posted here in the group. I'm going to explain each one quickly. And then I also have a link to a webinar if you want to watch that to learn more about what MobiPunch is, how it works, some demos, live examples. This will walk through all of that. Okay, so first of all, the special offer link is getmobipunch.com/annual. This is only available and broadcasted to MyWiFi partners. I haven't shared this with anybody else in a very long time. I think the last time was like some Black Friday to a limited amount of people. Now I'm offering it to you guys for a limited time, okay? So this is a 50% off of annual plans. The coupon code is 50annual. Okay, so instead of an agency plan, this is the Cadillac plan, which is unlimited punch cards, unlimited pass IDs, all of the features and more, including Zapier access, your custom URLs, custom SSLs, very similar to how the MyWiFi platform is, like a rock solid, amazing enterprise grade white label platform. And you're going to get it here for less than $1,500 a year. Okay, so if you work that out, if I actually did this, $1,500 divided by 12 for $125 a month, you can run unlimited loyalty programs for your clients, offer unlimited programs, unlimited punch cards, unlimited pass type IDs, which is basically the integration with Apple. So we are certified by Apple to be published in the App Store and also certified by Google to be published in their mobile wallets. So all of that included. You'll never have to pay anything else for this program. Now, if you don't want to pony up for the white label, 100% white label, we have a reseller program, which is private label. It uses the punch.cards system. So here, this is the sign up form. You basically go create your account. You enter your billing info. I'm going to show you guys how to do that here really quickly. So let's say I did that. That brings me to this checkout form. Even this program over here, so this annual plan, I type in the coupon code 50annual and click on the arrow. Oh, I have one extra N, sorry guys. There you go, it is 50% off. So I save $1,500 right away. We see a lot of partners that have a client that are interested in loyalty programs. They usually charge a $1,500 setup fee. They cover this for the whole year, and they just run annual, programs for the whole year, and as many loyalty programs as you want for no additional cost. Okay, so that is the program. It is getmobipunch.com/annual. Okay, that is the flow. Check it out. That's for the agency 100% white label. The reseller plan uses the punch.cards platform, so it still has your logo in the dashboard. It just doesn't have your own domain, no SSLs, which is fine. It still uses our SSL. It's just your username.punch.cards. So if you're okay with that, you can actually save even more. It's only less than $1,000 for the whole year. And if you just have one client, or just even want to play around with it and just want to use it in order to get your first client, the Entrepreneur Annual Plan is less than $500 a year and gives you access to everything you need, literally, I think, to demo this, to use it and everything. The only thing you don't get is your own custom branded interface. It's a generic interface. It's all good. It still works. But this is a special discount. I see a lot of you guys were asking about it. A lot of you were offering or wondering how to do coupons, how to do that kind of stuff. So this is what you use for that. It not only does punch cards. Again, I want to repeat, you can do static coupons. You can do one-time coupons. You can do beacon notifications. All of that's included. So if you're interested in learning more, again, I don't want to have this to be a long sales call about MobiPunch on the MyWiFi weekly meetings, but I just want to let you know, if you want to learn more about it, go to mobipunch.com. If you want to see some examples of punch cards, go to punchdemo.com. Okay, if you go there on your phone especially, you can go learn more. You can download all of these different punch cards to your wallet. You can see how they all work yourself. They look awesome. You can also use that demo site for your clients if you'd like. To see how it integrates directly with MyWiFi, click on that next link. Okay, this goes through exactly how MobiPunch integrates with MyWiFi. It shows you how to get, where to get your MobiPunch API key. And then all you do is you go into MyWiFi, go under apps, go add new app. It's under the loyalty section right over here. Okay, so under loyalty, you select punch cards, which is the generic version of MobiPunch, because especially if you're using a white label, you can call it whatever you want and just tell your client to use the punch cards integration, because that's what they'll know it as. So we didn't call it MobiPunch, it's called punch cards over here. And then as you go down, you add the new app, you just paste your API key, real simple. Then you go into your automation, you add a new automation. Okay, you call the automation whatever you want. So in this case, you can do punch card registration or whatever you'd like. You choose the location you want to apply it to. This goes for your actual client location. And then you choose your campaign. If you want to do it, specifically for certain clients on certain days, you can do that. Otherwise, you can have it across all campaigns at that location. Okay, after you're done that, you choose an automation trigger. So I like to do it when people disconnect. So you don't want to really disturb them when they're there, but when they disconnect, let's say 10 minutes after they disconnect, you can then trigger the registration. You can do this just one time, because once they're registered, they're in the system. You set that up once. You then select punch cards as an integration. You select your punch cards app that you added, and then you choose the actual program that you want to add people to. Again, I'm not going to go through the step-by-step of MobiPunch, because we have a full support section separately on that. We have a full webinar separately on this that walks through everything. But this is how you integrate it with MyWiFi, and this is why it is so powerful. And we got a badass loyalty creator over here, because honestly, I still think this is one of the best, if not the best, loyalty program out there, because it does not use apps. There's nothing to install. It works with all mobile phones. And to scan it now, the cameras right now inside iPhone and Android automatically register QR codes. So there's no funny scanners you got to deal with. There's no POS integration. Anybody from any phone, if they have a unique authorization code, like a staff member, can automatically validate these passes for their clients. It is secure. It is bulletproof. And this is why I really wanted to give you guys a really super good deal on this. So you save 50% off all annual plans. If you are a MyWiFi partner, you can type this in. So we do validate that after you purchase to see that you are a valid MyWiFi partner, because this is a very limited offer. And you'll save an additional 50%, I should say. So it's not only you're getting 2 months free on the annual, but you're also saving 50% on top of that. Okay, so all of this available for MyWiFi partners. And then those who get signed up with this as well, I want to let you know that I will be holding a very special private session, not on this Wednesday call, but a private session that I'll show exactly how to use MobiPunch and Wi-Fi together. And I'm only going to be showing that to people who have access to both platforms. Okay, so if you have access to MobiPunch and MyWiFi, we're going to reference that. You can also send me a note on Intercom if you want to be included on that training, if you have access to both dashboards, and I'll be happy to send you that private invite. And that's when I'm going to show you exactly how to set up all of these automations to get people automatically registered for the program. And yes, MobiPunch is available in other languages. So it's not just English, it's available in Spanish, German, a whole bunch of other languages as well. So definitely go check it out. Here's the link. Again, getmobipunch.com/annual. You can learn more about all that here. You can also watch the replay at mobipunch.com. And here's where you find out about all that. So definitely take a look at this. If you're interested, let me know. I'll be happy to answer any questions you guys have. And then just flipping things back to our session here, I want to make sure that I answer some questions before we end this call. We wanted to have the new client section that we demoed last week ready. It's unfortunately not ready yet, but we will be ready very soon. And I'll be going through a full walkthrough of that next week. In addition, I also want to mention those who are on the call, we have launched our new firmware for the SH100. So go into your dashboards now, upgrade your firmware. And then next week also, once a few of you have upgraded, I will show you exactly what the new options are. You'll notice right away when you upgrade, you're going to have access to changing your channel, to disabling your SSID, to doing a remote reboot, all kinds of cool features and functions you guys have been asking for a long time. We just launched for the SH100. So make sure you guys take a look at that. And I'll be going through a walkthrough of that whole system next week as well. Yeah, if you want to set up a private call with me, just send a note on Intercom and talk about exactly what you want to discuss with me. And then obviously if it has legs, I'll send you a private invite and you can schedule a time in my calendar. Yeah, Brad's asking to simplify the CSR cert renewal process. Yeah, Brad, we actually have upgraded the integration with Apple, so the renewal happens automatically right now through the dashboard. Lurs is asking how much clients pay per month for the service. We see a lot of clients paying 500, 1,000 or more for this service, especially because it's loyalty. It's measurable. It actually brings in recurring revenue. It keeps customers loyal. It's a perfect 1-2 punch with Wi-Fi because you have your Wi-Fi dashboards. You have all your new clients. So every time a client connects to your Wi-Fi, they're also joining your loyalty program. So think about that. A business who have, just at the low end, 300 or 500 people a month connecting to their Wi-Fi will now have 500 new people every single month joining their loyalty program, who will now get beacon notifications, who can now get mobile alerts, who can now get a whole new stream of communication channels, all by just connecting to Wi-Fi in the first place. And yes, MyWiFi is available in additional languages. I'll be doing a full walkthrough of MyWiFi on another time. I wanted to keep today short and just let you know that we do offer a 50% annual discount for those who are MyWiFi partners. Check out the link inside the Facebook group. And yes, if you want to get started and want to upgrade to an annual, we will keep it open for a limited time. So if you're currently a MyWiFi partner and you want to upgrade to an annual plan, just contact Brick and Mobile support through that appropriate channel, and we'll be happy to upgrade your account. Yes, and with beacons, question about beacons, you can use any type of Bluetooth beacon, Estimote beacons. You can buy beacons on Amazon, on eBay, super cheap. We will be reintroducing beacons to our store shortly. We are currently out of stock, but once we get a few more back in stock, we'll be selling them again. I'll be happy to ship you some to turn them on, but you can use any beacons with this. That's what makes it so great. You don't have to have a very specific one. Some routers, actually, some like Meraki routers and even some of the other types of routers have beacons already. And there's also USB beacons I want to mention that you just plug into the back of. You can even plug into the USB port of the SH100. So it's a USB-based beacon that you just plug right into the SH100 for power. They don't really talk to each other other than just provide power, so that that little beacon can also be broadcasting a a Bluetooth signal at the same time. And yeah, we do integrate directly with the MyWiFi panel and dashboard. So it works directly with the automation tool. When somebody connects to Wi-Fi, you can set a trigger to register them for a punch card through there. And also, if you'd like to also have punches, like let's say every time you connect to Wi-Fi, you want to add a punch to their card, MyWiFi is also on Zapier. So through using Zapier, you can do an integration where every time a user connects to Wi-Fi, they can get another punch in their card. So essentially, if they connect to Wi-Fi 10 times, they can get a free bottle of water, whatever you want to give away. That's also a great way to keep customers coming back for more. All right, any other questions I can get to? Again, just to remind those who are coming late to the call, we're offering 50% off MyWiFi for a limited time. So check out this post inside the Facebook group. You'll see the links here. Check out the offer discount, the coupon code to enter. Check out the webinar link. Check out some demos, check out how it integrates with MyWiFi, and then check out the link again to save your 50% today. And just an update on the contest. We're going to be closing that out next week. Those who shared on their the dashboards, we're going to be closing out the contest next week. We're going to be announcing the winners on next week's call. So you have a few more days to get that going. I know that some of you posted some dashboards with no data, and I sent you guys some notes. So I'm going to give you a couple more days to get some users in there, and then we're going to close the doors and then offer offer that training directly to help you guys scale. And also, if there's anything you want to see training-wise, support-wise, any kind of tutorials or sessions, just send me a note, post on Facebook, let us know, because we are here to help you. Any feature requests, go to feedback.mywifi.io. Feel free to vote for your features there as well. We'll be launching new features based on the votes in that system. Again, that link is feedback.mywifi.io. All right, everybody. I don't see any other questions coming in. So if anything comes in after this, feel free to contact me on the support chat. Otherwise, have a great week. Get out there and sell. And I look forward to helping you scale your Wi-Fi business, in addition to offering loyalty programs combined for your clients. Again, check out the MyWiFi special offer, 50% off annual plans. I look forward to talking to you guys soon. Take care, everyone. See you later.